Greetings, true connoisseurs of classic vehicles. Today I invite you to a short trip through Monarch history. Monarch was an automobile marque produced by Ford Canada from 1946 through 1957 and from 1959 to 1961. The Monarch was marketed as its own brand of car rather than as a Ford, with its own model names which included Richelieu, Lucerne and Sceptre. The Monarch was introduced on the 23rd of March 1946. Based on the contemporary Mercury, it had Canadian market-specific trim, unique grilles, taillights and other trim to marginally differentiate them from their Mercury relatives. Initially marketed simply as the Monarch, later model names included Richelieu, Lucerne and Sceptre. The Monarch line of vehicles was discontinued for 1958 when the Edsel was introduced, but the poor acceptance of the Edsel led Ford to reintroduce Monarch for 1959. With a drop in medium-priced vehicle sales in the early 1960s and the introduction of the similarly priced Ford Galaxy, the Monarch brand was dropped again after the 1961 model year, with approximately 95,450 cars built in 15 years. Let's learn about the fascinating evolution of the various models and major milestones in the fields of vehicle manufacturing. In addition, if you wish, you can support our channel by liking it or subscribing to Patreon. You will find the link in the description below the video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more.